Hi, I'm Joanne Butler with some high-tech holiday ideas. Let's start with some award winners from Amazon Kids. They have a ton of great devices built just for them, each with a 2-year worry-free guarantee, which means if it breaks, return it and Amazon will replace it. Also, they have some fantastic parental controls too, so you can really customize their experience. And each come with 6 or 12 months of Amazon Kids Plus, which is the only content service out there just for kids, with thousands of ad-free games, videos, books, podcasts, music, apps, and Alexa skills too from Disney, Nickelodeon, PBS Kids, Marvel, and original shows like Angry Birds, Lego, and Hello Kitty. This is new for kids 6 to 12. It's the Fire HD 10 Kids Pro tablet. It comes with exclusive content like games that let kids invite parents or older siblings to play on their phones. Plus, they'll reward kids for educational experiences they check out, like space or dinosaurs. It has a battery that lasts up to 13 hours and it's just $199.99. Next up, the new Echo Pop Kids smart speaker. They have 2 new designs, the Marvel Avengers and Disney Princess, which kids are just loving. You can access a new Explore with Alexa chat feature and fun facts and trivia questions about animals and nature. Just great to fuel their curiosity. Plus access to a ton of other content, audiobooks, jokes. It even helps with homework, and it's just $49.99. And this is the Kindle Kids with Amazon Kids Plus. It has thousands of books and audiobooks like Artemis Fowl, and studies show that kids read on average more than an hour a day on their Kindle, so it's just so great. It also has literacy tools and vocabulary builders, 6 weeks of battery life on a single charge, if you can believe that, 16 gigabytes of storage, and it comes with a protective cover. It's just $119.99. And then something amazing for your home, whether you want to keep an eye out for Santa or deter porch pirates, it's all new from Philips Hue. They've integrated a home surveillance camera with their amazing lighting system, so you can see everything that's going on in real time with a crystal clear 1080 HD live stream with special night vision. It has a speaker for two-way talk as well, so it works right with an app on your phone, and you'll get motion alerts, and you can activate light and alarms from wherever you are right from your phone. And the videos have end-to-end encryption as well, so they're secure and confidential, so you don't have to worry about that. Just gives you great peace of mind, especially around the holidays, and of course if you're traveling. And you can get this right at philipshue.com. Cameras start at $199.99 and kits at $299.99. This is just, again, a great gift if you have a new homeowner in the family, and of course for yourself. And there you have it, my high-tech holiday gift ideas. Happy holidays.